Hello children, welcome back to my channel. Now I am dealing with 7th class maths. Data handling topic I am dealing, and in this we are going to talk about pie charts. What are these pie charts? Pie charts are nothing but a graphical representation of the circle. It's not a graph but representation of the data in circle. It is also called representation of a data in a circle. You can even give this also as a definition to pie chart. So it is what? It is portion of a circle which tells about the share of a particular value, how much it occupies. Circle contains 360 degrees. The given data we are going to distribute in this 360 degrees, and different sectors we will be getting accordingly. So just by viewing that pie chart, that means the circle, you can understand which component or which data has got more value and which data has got less value. This will give you a quick review about the data that is given to us. So let us see how it has to be done, how the pie diagrams have to be done. One example is given in your book, so let me do it. So this is about budget head, means whatever is the upon what the budget is made about food, education and others saving. This whole total is 9,000. This 9,000 should be, means each one should be represented in the circle. How are we going to do? What we will be doing is, first you have to calculate the sector degree of the sector. You have to find out. How will you find out? Let us see an example given to us. The example given here is about budget they have given and amount they have given. For this, what is the degree of sector you have to find out? How will you find out degree of sector? See, here I cannot do it because it becomes clumsy. So I will be doing the calculation part here. So first food is there, no? So for food, the calculation is, take 1500, whatever is the food content, and divide it by the total amount, multiply by 360. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 9 fours are 9 ones are. So 15 fours are 60 degrees is for food. So here I will be writing 60 degrees. Now for education. Education, it is 750 by 9,000 into 360. So 0, 0, 0, 0. 9 fours are 9 tens are. 5 are 2 fives are 2 twos are. 5 ones are 5 fives are. 15 twos are 30 degrees is education. So education 30 degrees. Now we will go to the others. Others, how much? Others is 2250 by, sorry, it is 9,000. 2250 by 9,000 into 360. 0, 0, 0, 0 will get cancelled. 9 fours are 9 tens are. 2 fives are 2 twos are. 5 fours are 5 fives are. So how much I am getting? 45 twos are 90 degrees. So others we have got 90 degrees. Then savings. Savings. Savings, how much they have given? 4,500. So 4,500 by 9,000 into 360. So 2 zeros here, 1 0, 9 ones are 9 fours are, 4 fives are 20, 4 fours are 16 to 180 degrees. So this is 180 degrees. So actually children, if you add all these degrees, you will be getting 360. You can see 90 plus 90, 180, 180 plus 180, 360 degrees. So the total you have to get 360 degrees. If you didn't get 360 degrees, means you have done somewhere kind of mistake here. Okay. Now, how it has to be represented in pie chart. So this is the circle that you have got. In this circle, if you want to represent food, what you have to do? First, you have to draw the circle and radius. Afterwards, 60 degrees from here you have to. So keep the center like this and 60 degrees. I am getting 60 degrees here. This is 60 degrees. So you have to draw a sector here. So joining this. That means at least up to the circle, this is the one. So what is this? This is food. Next, 30 degrees, education, 30 degrees. So what you have to do? You have to start here. The center should be here. Like this you have to keep. And from this 0, 30 degrees is here. So again, you have to join these two. So this is, what is it? Education. Then 90 degrees. So when you are drawing 90 degrees, what you have to do? Here, for the new one, you have to keep it 90 degrees for this line, 90 degrees here. So the scale 90 degrees for this. See, this is the point now. So 90 degrees you will be getting for others. The next one, 180, definitely this 180 you will be getting. This is, what is it? Saving. This is saving. So this will be 180. This total will be 180 degrees. So this is how you have to draw the pie chart to get the pie chart. This you have to do. In this way you are going to get the representation of the data given to you in circle. So I hope I am clear, children. Please note it down. Children, in exercise 4, the first problem is dealing with draw a bar graph for the following data. What is the data given to you? Years are given and population in millions. 1941, 320, 51, 360, 61, 440, 71, 550, 81, 680, 91, 850, 2001, 1000. So this you need to represent in the graph. So graph I have done, children. I am explaining that to you now. Now you see, this is the graph which I have done. On x-axis I have taken years. I have left a gap, children, for a free graph bars like this. So this is 1941, 51, 61, 71, 81, 91, 2001. Now on y-axis I have taken 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350, 400, 450, 500, 550, 600, 650, 700, 750, 800, 850, 900, 950, 1000, and it goes on like this. So as I have taken this, I should write it as scale. So the scale I have written on x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 year. On y-axis 1 centimeter is 50 units, because here I have taken a gap of 50. Now the first one is how much? This is 1941, 320. So here if you see, from here this is a 300, children. Very closely I will show you so that you will understand how it has to be done. This is 300, this is 500, 350. 50 gap, that means if you leave one line, that is 310. Leave one line, 320. So 50-50 gap if you give, you have to leave one line. So this is 320 children. Next, 1951, 360, 1961, 440, 1971, 550, 1981, 680, 1991, 850, 2001, 1000. So this is how representation should be done for the graph, children. So this is the graph. Please note it down. Please do it, children. I hope I am clear to you. The graph that you are going to get is in this way. This is first problem. Now, exercise 4, second problem is a pie diagram, children. This first is a graph. Now this is the second one. In this, draw the pie chart. They have given items of expenditure and amount spent on it. On food 3,750, health 18,000, 1,875, clothing also 1,875, education 1,200, saving 7,500. This is what is given in the problem. So first we will be writing item of expenditure. What are they? Food, health, clothing, education, saving. So these are given to you. So what is the amount? Amount on food 3750, health 1875, clothing 1875, education 1200, and saving 7500. So let us find the totaling. This is 10, 14, 15, 15, 5. 20, 0 here, 2 here, then 7. This is 8 plus 2, 10, 8 plus 2, 10, 10, 10, 20, 20 plus 10, 30, 32. 2 here, 3, 10, 11, 12, 13, 3, 16. 16,200 is the total we have got. Now we should write about degree of sector. You have to go for degree of sector. So for that again calculation I'll be doing it here. Now we will see degree of sector. First one is food. 3750 by 16200 into 360. Then 0 and this 0 will get cancelled. 18 twos are 18 nines are, and 3 threes are 3 ones are 3 twos are 6, 3 fives are 15. We cannot simplify it further. So multiply. 5 twos are 10, 2 fives are 10, 2 twos are 4, 1 5, 2. 250 by 3. That means how much are you getting? 3 eights are 24, 3 threes are 9, and it goes on like this. So approximately we will be taking it as 83%, 83 degrees. So we take it as 83 degrees. Now we will see about health, children. Health 1875 by 16200 into 360. So 0, 18 twos are 18 nines are 0. Then 5 ones are 5 eights are 5 threes are 15, 5 sevens are 35, 5 fives are 25. So 3 6 are 3 ones are 3 twos are 3 fives are. Again 2 ones are 2 threes are. So how much you are getting? 125 by 3. 3 fours are 12. 3 ones are 3. and 3 6 are 18. It goes on like this. That means you can consider it as 42 degrees. So 1875 means 42 degrees. So this is also same value. So 42 degrees. Next, I should talk about education. Education 1200. 1200 by 16200 into 360 degrees. So how much are you getting here? 0 0 0 0 will get cancelled. 18 twos are 0, 18 nines are. Then 3 threes are, 3 fours are. You cannot do anything here. 80 by 3. That means 3 twos are 6 and 2 3 6 are 18, 3 6 are 18. It goes on like this. So you can consider it as 27 degrees. The next one is about 27 degrees. So this is 27 degrees. Now we'll be talking about savings, children. Savings 7,500 by 16,200 into 360. So 2 zeros, 7,500. So 2 zeros will get cancelled. 18 twos are 0, 18 nines are. 3 threes are, 3 twos are 6, 3 fives are 15. So 25 into 20, 0, 2 fives are 10, 2 twos are 4, 1 5 by 3. 3 ones are 3, 2, 3 6 are 18, 2, 3 6 are 18, 6 it goes on like this. That is 167 degrees. So this savings is 167 degrees. This you need to represent in the circle. First 83 degrees. 83 degrees. So this is the one. 83 degrees is here. So this is for food. Next 42 degrees. 42 degrees. This is 90. It should be like this. 8. How much it is? It is 42 degrees here. This is 42 degrees. What is this? Health. Health. Next, another 42 degrees. Again, you have to place it like this here, and another 42 degrees here. So this is clothing. Afterwards 27 degrees. Education 27 degrees. So from here like this you have to keep 27. This is 25. This is 27 degrees. $27 degrees for education. Remaining will be 127 degrees. This is for savings. So this is the pie chart of second problem in exercise 4. Please note it down. Calculation part I have done it here. See carefully. Now third problem, draw a double bar graph for the following data. The data is given birth and death rates of the different states 1999. So states they have given, birth rates they have given, death rates they have given. Andhra Pradesh 22 birth rates, 8 death rates. Karnataka 22 birth rates, 8 death rates. Tamil Nadu 19 birth rates, 8 death rates. Kerala 18 birth rates, 6 death rates. Maharashtra 21 birth rates, 8 death rates. Orissa 24 birth rates and 11 death rates. So let us see how it has to be done. A double bar I have drawn like this, children. So this is a double bar where you are getting one square. I have taken it here as two states. So the two qualities of the states, birth rate and death rate. So I have written here scale. I have written on x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 state I have taken, and on y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 2 units. So I see 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 like that I have taken up to 30. So what is given here? Andhra Pradesh 22 and 8 22 birth rate, 8 death rate. So here this is birth rate 22. Where is 22? See here. Up to here I have drawn a bar, that is 22 birth rate and 8 death rate. Similarly, you have got Kerala 22 and 8 same, and Tamil Nadu 19 and 8, and uh, Tamil Nadu, Kerala 18 and 6. Then you have got Maharashtra 21 and Maharashtra, see 21 and 8, and then last you have got Orissa 24 and 11. So these are the bar diagrams that I have drawn, children. See here I have shown this kind of bar is birth rate and this kind of bar is death rate. You have to represent a graph in this way only, children. These are called double bars because they are represented by two different means one block I have taken two different rates. If you want you can take 2 also, but sometimes the graph may not be sufficient for you to take. That is why I have divided, each one is divided into two parts with this light line. So I made it in this way. If you want you can take 2 also by turning this book in this way. Anyway, I think I'm clear to you, children. This is the third problem of exercise 7.4. Fourth problem, children. Fourth problem, draw a pie chart. Time spent for and time spent. Sleep 8 hours, school 6 hours, play 2 hours, others 8 hours. So let us write this. This is time spent for and time. Then we have to go for degree of sector. Okay, time spent for sleep 8 hours and school 6 hours, play 2 hours, others 8 hours. So first find out total. This is 16, 18, 24. Total 24 hours. Now degrees you have to find out. So let us see for sleep. How much? 8 by 24 into 360. 8 ones are 8 threes are. 3 ones are 3 twos are 0. That is 120. So degrees 120. This is for sleep. Next, school. 6 by 24 into 360. 6 ones are 6 fours are 4 nines are 0. So this is 90 degrees. Sleep. Next, this is school. Next, play. For play 2, 2 by 24 into 360. 2 ones are 2 12s are 12 threes are 0. So that is 30 degrees is play. And others 8 degrees. Others 8 degrees, actually whatever is left behind, that is others. So anywhere let us calculate. 8 by 24 into 360. 8 threes are 3 twos are 120 degrees. So others is 120 degrees. So this is the degree measure that we have got. Let us do it in the pie chart. First one is how much? Sleep, 120 degrees. So this is 0 part. 120 means this is 100. This is 120 degrees. So I need to join these two. So this will give you sleep time. And then 90 degrees. From here, ninety degrees is here. So let us join this. This is 90 degrees. This is school. School 90 degrees. Then play 30 degrees. So from here, you have to take 30 degrees. This is 30 degrees. This is the angle for play. And the remaining is for others. So this is the pie chart for this problem, children. Please note it down. Now, fifth problem, children. Fifth problem, pie diagram is given to you. But the difference what I did is, here they have given different shapes. Instead of that, I have written the names. That is the difference what I have done on the board. So let me read the question here. The adjoining pie chart gives expenditure on various items during a month for a family. The numbers written around the pie chart tells us angles made by the each sector at the center. So here, actually, here they have given a line like this, 120, here 90, here 60, here 90 they have mentioned. And they have given certain shapes here. So on the shapes, below the shapes they have given what is that each uh, impression indicates. 90 degrees means straight lines they have given, 120 means plane they have left, 90 degrees means like bricks they have drawn, and 60 degrees means some dots they have given. But instead of doing all that, I have written both here. Now you have got various questions here, children. We are going to answer all these questions here. This side I will be answering answers. I will write it here. The first one, on which item expenditure is minimum? Minimum means which is having minimum education. So first one is education. On education, the expenditure is minimum. So what is the second one? On which item expenditure is maximum? Maximum is food. Upon food, the expenditure is maximum. Next, if monthly income of the family is 9,000, What is the expenditure on rent? So let us calculate it. We are going to talk about expenditure on rent. Let expenditure is equal to rupees X. If it is X rupees expenditure, then X by total how much they have given? Say here, if monthly income, total income is 9,000 they have given. So X amount they are given, expenditure of rent is X amount out of 9,000 into 360 degrees. This has given the answer. What is the rent answer? 90 degrees. So you will be writing it as 90. Rent is 90. So 0, 0 will get cancelled. 9 fours are 36. 9 hundreds are 4 ones are 4. 25s are. So what is x? X by 25 is equal to 90. That means what, children? Therefore, x is equal to 25 into 90. So 0 here, 9 5s are 45, 9 2s are 18, 22. So this is nothing but rupees 2250 is a expenditure upon the rent. What is the expenditure on the rent? 2250. Now fourth bit. Fourth bit, if the expenditure on food is 3000, what is the expenditure on education? See children, food is double to 60, no? 60 into 2 is food. So food 2 times of education is food. Yes or no? 2 times of 60 is 120. So 2 times of education is on food. How much they have given? 3000. Therefore, education is nothing but 3000 by 2, that is 1500. So the answer is 1500 rupees is the answer of the fourth bit. This is 1500. So this is fifth problem, children. Please note it down. With this, I am concluding my topics. Next part I will be doing in the next